So we're going to start with a review of 2017. Don't throw anything at me. I know a lot of people have already done this, or they don't want to go back to 2017, or they feel like been there, done that. Let me just push that aside and really step into a new year. But how many of you have heard people say, you know what, I'm glad 2017 is over, I'm ready for 2018?
Yes.
How many of you said, thank God 2018 is here, it's going to be the best year?
Yes.
How many have heard people say that every year?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because the issue is you bring you with you.
That's right.
You bring you with you with all of the past disappointments, with the past hurts, with the past failure, with past regrets. And unless we properly process them, they're still going to affect us. Because again, 99.994% of your life is run by your unconscious. And so we may stuff it in under the rug, or we may shove it in the closet. We may even put a lock on the closet and think, now it's really done. But what we want to do is open up that closet, take everything out, clear it out, figure out where it belongs, put it away, and then now we've got this beautiful space that we can create anything with, whatever it is you want. So we really do want to take advantage of this opportunity to really do a nice house cleaning of the last year and really start fresh. I love new beginnings. I love a new year. I love a new month. I love a new week. I love a new day, because it's a symbol of some fresh start. It's a symbol of something that I can step into. It's a symbol of a new beginning. It's a symbol of I can reinvent myself. I can reinvent myself today. We can reinvent ourselves this year. So it's a beautiful day, but really it's no other day. I mean, December 31st is just like January 1st. Sun came up, sun went down. But it's stepping into the power of that opportunity and really reveling in that it is a brand new baby day for us to create anything we want. Brand new year for us to create anything we want.